It's no secret that ChatGPT has been flooding your newsfeed over the past few months with incredible things that it can do and not do, ranging from writing emails and poems to even being used to write Python code in addition to reverse engineer shell code and rewrite it in C. As said by author Dan Conn, ChatGPT has sparked hope among people eager for the arrival of practical applications of AI, but it also begs the question of whether it will displace writers and developers in the same way robots and computers have replaced some cashiers, assembly line workers, and perhaps taxi drivers. Although it's been impressive to see the technology simulate human conversation and sound knowledgeable, it does have its flaws. Due to being backed by data, not human intelligence, its sentences can sound coherent, but often fail to provide informed responses. It can also repurpose offensive content like hate speech. In regards to coding, responses provided in a debugging exercise prove to have plausible sounding but incorrect and nonsensical answers. The major issue that this presents is that ChatGPT lacks the ability to understand the context of computing. Just like software engineers, it needs to understand the intentions behind the software it is creating and the people who will be using it. While machine learning systems are becoming increasingly advanced, they do not think like the human brain. While they can recognize patterns and aid to increase productivity for simple tasks, they may not always produce code as well as humans, according to the AlphaCode report. Although it is impressive, I don't think it's safe to say ChatGPT will be replacing software engineers any day soon. There will always be a need for humans to do tasks that machines will never be capable of. This is Grigg reporting from Alexandria, Virginia.
Listen to today's entire episode of It's 505 on your favorite podcast platform.